Hello everyone, this is Cam. Today I'm going to show you how to reset the tire pressure light on an Audi A3. So this is a 2016 model. So all you need to do is just go to the menu and then go to select cars, car menu, and then select systems, and then go to service and checks and go to tire pressure monitoring system and store tire pressures. Just click on store now, and it has been stored and the light is gone now. So thank you very much guys for watching my video, and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon next to it to get more of these videos. Thank you.